glowing. It's nice out here, it really is. Yesterday in the shade at the car show, man, it was nice. Sitting underneath the tent, underneath the trees. Walked around quite a few times. Checked out all the cars. It's pretty nice. That show is always a good show to go to, man. I look forward to going to that show. Supermarket right here, man. You guys can see the hopper camera. I'll tell you what, man, I'm pretty loaded on this third load. I got, just did this one as the one. I got a big stop down the street with 5 containers. That's 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I don't know, man. I might be going back to dump, but I'm gonna keep packing, see what happens. what do we got? We got, there's 5 containers here, 2 stops. You got Wiley's, organic. Well, I'm just going to pack it up, see what happens, see how much room I got left. I did 254 already, that's done. About these McNeilus bodies, let me tell you something, man. They pack good. I think I mentioned it on a previous video I did today. It should be uploaded right now. 18 tons on the first load and over 18 tons on the second load. That's pretty good packing, man. That's why I like the McNeilus body. I'm not knocking the Howe body because I had a Howe body for 10 years, man. But I'm just saying, this body right here that I got packs pretty damn good, man. 18 tons, that's a good load for me. I would say 18, the second load. This load here, I would say maybe 12, 13 tons. So that's a busy day. Brother, you got it. Take this extra cardboard here to help Mayran now. Mayran is here at 4:30 in the morning, dumps out that big 8-yarder. And they have a lot of cardboard here that doesn't really fit. Good afternoon, how are you? How's your weekend? You know, it always pays to be nice no matter what, no matter who you talk to, no matter where you go. But you know what? You don't know